Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the major challenges with the Terraform and solutions. The main challenges of the Terraform is Terraform drift resources. What is the Terraform drift resources? Assume that I have a 10 resources in Terraform state file that is managing in Azure or AWS cloud. Because somebody modified the manually that resources or somebody deleted that resources. That is called a drift resources. Or we can take another example also. Somebody created the manually new resources. That is, we can call it as a Terraform drift resources. The step one, we will find it and Terraform managed resources and unmanaged resources. And after that, we will go for solution. We have a one plugin that is called Terraform driftctl plugin, and there is the wrapper of the Terraform. Need to install and after that need to scan only. This is document is I have given in GitHub link or YouTube description. Go through and check it. And first we will go and install driftctl. After that we will scan on that. See, let's go to Terraform and run Terraform state list. 5 resources I have deployed to AWS account. That resources here 2 VPCs and 2 S3 buckets and one DynamoDB. 5 resources. And Terraform backend I am using this, and that is in S3 DynamoDB. Okay, let's wait. Okay, you can see these all are managed by through Terraform only. driftctl already I have installed. driftctl version. Okay, next go scan. This scan, driftctl scan, it will compare your Terraform state file and your cloud, and it will give an output by JSON file. In VS Code, you can see no JSON file up to now. Once run the scan, it will give output as a JSON. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, we can see here. See, summarize, we can see total count of the resources in AWS 29 resources. Terraform unmanaged resources 24. Terraform managed resources 5. Total IAC source count means that is in state file. One state file only in S3. That is the reason given count. But total missing is 0. We can see later. Now Terraform managed resources. Terraform managed resources and unmanaged resources. Managed resources is VPC, 2 VPCs and 2 S3 buckets, 1 DynamoDB. Unmanaged resources. See, access key, secret key, IAM policies, all are there. And in cloud also we can see. This is Route 53. This is unmanaged resource, that is I have created manually. And these are user, Venkat user and access keys, secrets keys and roles here under the user. These all are unmanaged by Terraform only. See how the beauty driftctl has given all information to us. driftctl, it won't give any solution. It will scan, it will give the result only. Here one thing we can see, what is the missing resources. Missing resources is nothing but, suppose if Terraform in managed 5 resources right now, if anybody deleted the manually one resources, that is called missing resource. See, with intentionally we will delete one resources and we will create one new resources also, and we will scan again, we will see the solution. Okay, let's go VPC. Okay, blue green deployment, I will take it blue VPC. Class A, I will take it. Okay, blue VPC newly created and green VPC, it is managing by Terraform. I am deleting this one. Let's again drift scan. Okay, up to now total managed resources is the 5, not missed resources. Once scan is done, results will updated again. See, Terraform is beautiful tool, and in Azure native for infrastructure as code, there's a code ARM template is there, and coming to AWS CloudForm template is there. But as a DevOps engineer, if we learn in Terraform perfectly, we can manage in any cloud, not only Azure, not only AWS, and GCP and Alibaba, anything. Which tool is very helpful to DevOps engineers? That is in Terraform. See here, missing resources is 1. Total managed resources is 4 only. Total unmanaged resources is 25. Okay, when run Terraform plan also, we can see. Terraform drift is, we can assume in 3 parts. One is new resources will created by manually, and second is somebody modified Terraform resources, and third is somebody deleted manual resources. Somebody deleted manual resources, somebody modified manual resources. We can find Terraform plan also, we can see. But somebody created the manual resources, new manual resources, we cannot find through Terraform. Because of that entire cloud Terraform it won't manage. You can see want to add, it is asking want to add Terraform managed resources deletion modify also. The solution, we can go for Terraform apply. Okay, next thing is we have created new resources is there. Blue VPC, this we have to manage through Terraform, right? Just go here. Just to Terraform import. Take the copy. Okay, blue PC. Just make it to see, somebody deleted our Terraform managed resources. When I will do Terraform apply, it will set. But new resources somebody created, if that is, you can assume that is unwanted, that is not required, you can delete manually. If required, that is you have to manage through Terraform, go for Terraform import. It will happen. It is sometimes, supposing you are a Terraform developer only in your team, but remaining people, they don't know. You are in leave. If in any case of emergency, they will create the manual resources. They will do it. After that, when you come back again, you have to do Terraform import. You have to run Terraform driftctl, all those things, and you can do Terraform import. It will help us. Run Terraform plan one time. After that, we will run Terraform driftctl scan again. Okay, everything is fine. Let's scan. Okay, Terraform drift resources. Right now, up to you have a problem. One, missing resources. That is resolved by Terraform apply. And new resources we have created, that is the drift resources, that is the blue VPC. Up to now, that is unmanaged by Terraform only. I have Terraform import is down. Right now you can see Terraform managed resources is 6. Why 6? Before that, missing resources is the 1. New resources also, blue VPC also, that is added, that is the 6 only. Thank you.